Welcome back, BeInCrypto. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Dogecoin to BTC or Dogecoin to Bitcoin. We're going to be doing a price prediction video in today's episode. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, leaving a giant thumbs up, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you guys know, the market has been extremely undervalued the past couple of days. We just got hit with a major storm of volume, shooting this coin down and all the cryptos for that matter down to extremely low levels. But I wanted to take a look at specifically Dogecoin and see where we could potentially see Dogecoin in the upcoming, year, 2 years, couple months, something along those lines. Otherwise, if you take your attention over to the current coin market cap, Doge is trading at 28 right now, currently up 30.31%, compared to the rest of the market, which is pretty much down. Doge does seem to be holding its ground fairly well. With the markets kind of tipping off and trading slowly, Doge has been able to get some volume, trading up a little bit higher than where it's currently been, hanging out at. Doge is currently at 0.002 of a dollar with $286 million in current market cap. Doesn't look like too bad of a crypto for something that is considered a meme. Now, what I really want to focus on in this technical analysis and where we could potentially see cryptos potentially moving in the future. My biggest reasoning with Dogecoin and why I chose this one is I believe there is something that is definitely distinct to Dogecoin that I haven't been able to see in any other cryptocurrencies. You'll notice Doge has its spikes. Very, 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 very often do we see these major spikes followed by consolidation. It's happened over and over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guess where we're at now, guys? We're at the end of one of these spikes, and this is why I find it pretty important to check out as towards predicting the future. You'll notice they always have these major volume spikes followed by consolidation. Recently we've had some bigger ones followed by consolidation, but we always have these major moonshots in volume and then we consolidate back down. Now what I've noticed is not only are we having those moonshots right now, but they're somehow intertwined in a major descending triangle forming on Dogecoin's pattern. I find this very intriguing and very interesting towards leading up to the future. Now normally when we see these major moonshots or these major, descending triangles, we can somehow get a guesstimate as towards where we're going to go come the future. Basically, we take the mouth of the breakout, which is about amazingly an 819% gain, which is, it blows my mind that that's even possible still in cryptocurrency. But from a price this low all the way up to this price, it's a massive moonshot. Now if we then consider where the point of breakout could be, which is right around here, if we consider that to be where it is, and we move up around 819%, you'll notice it's very similar to about, let's see, right here. This is how high we could travel, potentially by the end of this major descending triangle that we're seeing right now. So there's possibilities of the coin shooting all the way up to levels this high, adding 821% onto the coin. I wish I could give you the US dollar amount, but unfortunately I can't because we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. But understand this is a major volume surge. Now, short-term analysis and short-term price prediction, one may assume that we could continue to drop lower in the next couple of weeks, inevitably ending potentially 2019 off at around this bottom level right here. So about 2 or 3 more months of consolidation lower, followed by what could be a major moonshot in volume like we've seen in the past. All of these major moonshots have a ton of volume. This is a percentage gain of about 600%. This is a percentage gain of about 195%. Now that's a conservative jump compared to what we've seen in the past. So, even a conservative jump up here at the breakout point, up about 400% could easily bring us up to, I believe, the high-low middle moving average. Right now we have the Fibonacci levels on, so I can remove that, and you'll notice that the high-low MMA is here. So we are extremely undervalued. One would assume that on breakout point, if we even reach the top, this would be about a 300% gain, and as conservative, 175% gain, reaching us about the tip of the high-low middle moving average. So very interesting, but when we add on the Fibonacci, you'll notice there's a couple interesting patterns to play out here. You'll notice we do have quite a bit of trouble in the beginning breaking through the Fibonacci. We have in the past, but we've pretty much been trading under it until recently. We've been able to, pretty much blast ourselves above, but we always seem to go back down under it, not really using it as a support to kind of hover above. So we're currently below that Fibonacci as well today, which is another key indicator that we are undervalued. We were trading pretty darn low on the weekly. We're currently getting back into our groove at around 39. This could easily be the breakout point right here. I'm only considering the bottom right here to be the descending triangle because this is practically the lowest point that Doge has gone. Not to mention there was a double bottom here indicating a major surge. So we'll see. Dogecoin looks very good, honestly, in terms of a long-term investment. I do believe that if you put money into Dogecoin, now I'm no financial advisor, but to say if I was to put money into Dogecoin and left it alone for a year, we could see easily 300 to 400% gains, and that's in my analysis and prediction. Also, I want to share with you, we did update our Dogecoin price prediction for 2020. Definitely make sure to check this out. It's here on the website. It's the first link in the description. We even have a price prediction for 2024, just a very long-term accurate potential for where this coin could potentially blast off to. So you can see we have our average rate of increase here as well. Definitely make sure to check this out. There's a ton of information on here. First link in the description. Otherwise, peace.